The business world watched in awe as Apple Inc. crossed the $2 trillion market valuation mark. This incredible feat sparked curiosity and envy. How did a tech giant reach such a staggering figure? What were the secrets behind this monumental success? The answer lies in understanding Apple's journey and the powerful strategies it employed. This essay decodes the secrets of a $2 trillion business model using Apple as a prime example. We will explore the importance of innovation, global reach, and brand loyalty. We'll also delve into the challenges companies face on this path. Finally, we'll see how these principles can be applied to your own ventures. A $2 trillion business model isn't built overnight. It's the culmination of years of strategic planning, relentless execution, and a keen understanding of the market. At its core, it's about creating immense value for a global customer base. This involves developing products and services so desirable and essential that they command premium prices and foster unwavering brand loyalty. Imagine a company selling millions of products, each contributing to a revenue stream exceeding the GDP of many nations. That's the scale and impact of a $2 trillion business model. Apple's journey to the top is a testament to the power of innovative products. From the revolutionary Macintosh to the iconic iPhone, Apple consistently disrupts the market. These products aren't just technologically advanced, they are designed with a deep understanding of user experience. The sleek aesthetics, intuitive interfaces, and seamless integration between devices create a unique appeal. This relentless pursuit of innovation, driven by a culture of perfectionism, is a cornerstone of Apple's success. Section 4. The global stage. Reaching every corner. Apple's reach extends far beyond its Cupertino headquarters. The company has a truly global presence, with its products available in almost every corner of the world. This global expansion is a result of strategic partnerships, efficient supply chains, and a deep understanding of diverse markets. Apple adapts its products and services to cater to local preferences, ensuring a seamless experience for a global customer base. This global footprint not only drives sales, but also strengthens Apple's brand image as a global leader in technology. Section 5. Building an ecosystem. The Apple Garden. Apple's success isn't solely due to its products. It's also about the ecosystem it has built around them. The Apple ecosystem is a tightly integrated network of devices, software, and services. From the App Store to Apple Music, each element complements the others, creating a seamless and engaging user experience. This ecosystem fosters brand loyalty, as users are more likely to stay within the Apple ecosystem for their technological needs. It's like a walled garden, designed to keep users engaged and satisfied. Section 6. Challenges on the path to greatness. While Apple's success is undeniable, the journey to a $2 trillion valuation isn't without its challenges. The tech landscape is fiercely competitive, with rivals constantly innovating and vying for market share. Apple faces constant pressure to maintain its technological edge and deliver groundbreaking products. Regulatory hurdles and scrutiny from governments worldwide add another layer of complexity. Resource allocation is crucial, as Apple must strategically invest in research, development, and marketing to stay ahead of the curve. Section 7. Applying the Apple algorithm to your venture. While replicating Apple's success might seem like a Herculean task, the underlying principles can be applied to ventures of all sizes. Start by focusing on innovation and delivering exceptional products or services that solve real problems for your target audience. Strive to create a seamless and engaging user experience. Expand your reach beyond your immediate market and explore opportunities for global expansion. Cultivate a strong brand identity that resonates with your customers and fosters loyalty. Remember, the journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop innovating. By applying these principles, you can set your sights on achieving global success, just like